Ready? Ready? What you will say?
Go!
Go. Oh, you didn't say anything. Take two. Go back. You didn't say anything. Zaid is back and he got a lot of things. Sige, again.
Zaid is back. I got that thing. What is that thing?
What is that? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Pringles.
Pringles?
Pringles.
It's pasta for
What's that?
spaghetti. For spaghetti, yes.
A toy.
Toy. It's not a toy. Again, the other ones. The other ones there. Yeah, do not touch your boo. Oh, use your two hands. Why only one? The others also bring more stuff. The other, the yellow one, yes. What is that, Zaid? What are those, Zaid?
Candy.
Candies, chocolates.
Chocolate.
M&M.
M&M.
Peanut and chocolate flavor. Go get the other one. What is that, Zaid? Huh? Tooth? Paste, yes. The other one, the box, oh, the milk, the box. Yes, the blue one, the blue. Okay. Is it heavy? Be careful, ha, it has mug. Slowly, don't throw, ha. Oh, put it down. What is this? Oh, the mug is nice. Mug, oh, it's like rainbows. Okay, another one. Why are you touching your tummy? Heavy? Oh my gosh, very heavy. Go, remove the other ones. Remove inside. Remove only one by one. And remove that one. Remove one. Oh, remove one. The red color. You don't understand, eh? Oh, Anna. Very good. Okay, come here. What is that, Zaid?
Candy.
Huh? What candy? Come here. Let me see. Show it to the camera. Cow? It's a cow? Oh, cow's milk. That is, yes, milk powder. Oh, put it here. Hurry up. Heavy? So heavy. How many kg? Oh, put it down. Oh, it's very strong. You're carrying 2.25 kg. What's that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh, very good. Oh, put it down. The other ones.
Grapes.
Huh? Grapes? Yes, Zaida's favorite. The red grapes. You just finished the green grapes.
Milk powder.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Oh, it's not even powdered, Zaid. Do not bring only one. Bring more. That one, the plastic. You can carry the plastic. Dali, carry the plastic, the all plastic. Sige na. It's not heavy anymore. Oh my gosh, you did it one by one. What is that? We use it for champurrado. What is that? Cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder.
Yes, very good. Cocoa powder. Put it down. Cocoa powder. Bring the plastic. Lagi all the plastic. Bring it here. All. Almond. Oh, very good. Almond.
Put it down.
Put it down slowly. Very good. Bring all the plastic. Lagi. You did it one by one. What are those?
Sabon.
Sabon? No, it's not sabon. It's shampoo. Shampoo for the hair.
Shampoo.
Yes. You know shampoo, right?
Shampoo.
Yes. Mama shampoo.
Soap.
What is that?
Soap.
Soap. Yes.
Put it down.
No, that is hand soap. Yes, hand soap.
Hand soap.
Hand wash. Yes.
Hand wash. Almond one.
And there's another one. Yes.
Sippy cup.
Oh, that's your sippy cup. The same was your. Oh, go get your sippy cup. Where's the other one? Where? How many sippy cups you have now? Like that one. Two same sippy cups. Okay, put it here, put it here.
Down.
Put it down. Okay.
Other one.
Other one.
The soap.
The soap, hand
Hand
soap. Yes, put it down. Here.
This one.
This one.
Yeah.
Very good. Bring the plastic lagi. All the plastic. Carry. You can carry the plastic. Carry all of them. Oh my gosh. You don't understand. Carry all the plastic. The plastic. Bring the plastic here. All the plastic. Plastic bag. Sige na. Oh my gosh, you don't understand.
So heavy.
So heavy. Yes, I told you bring the. What are those? What are those?
So
So for the
washing the hands.
no, for the
For the kitchen.
yes, for washing the
Hands.
dishes. Dishwashing liquid. What are those?
Cold.
Huh?
What cold?
What? Huh?
Cold.
Corn, not corn. It's oats.
Oats.
Oats. Yes. Mama's oats. Heavy? Is it hard? Hurry up. It's already 6 minutes. What is that?
Cold.
Cow again? Cow's milk. Milk powder. If you see cow, you see cow. What else? Heavy? Bring the plastic lagi. Carry all the plastic. Carry all the plastic. The white bag. Plastic bag. Bring it here. The plastic bag. So stubborn. Oh, charan. Oh, what is that?
Cookie.
Huh?
Cookie.
4 kg. What is that? 4 kg?
Cookie. No.
What is that? You don't know that one? Sugar.
Sugar.
Yes, sugar. Dali.
Too heavy.
So heavy. You can do it. You're very strong. Oh, see? Zido is very strong. Bravo. Oh, sige, the other one. Baby, fix your hair. Your hair is not nice. The hairstyle not nice. Okay? Go na.
There's 2 sippy cups.
Oh, 2 sippy cups. Yes, the old and new. You're not done. Go get the other ones. Oh, yes. Go get the other ones. Hurry up. Bring the plastic. The plastic. All the plastic. Dali. All plastic. Bring. The plastic bag. Oh my gosh. It's stubborn. Bring all the plastic bag. What is that? You will get it one by one? What is this? What is this?
Powder.
Oh, this is powder, but this is coffee mate.
Coffee mate.
Yeah, when Mama is making coffee, Mama will mix the coffee mate.
Make the coffee mate.
Mm. Other ones, bring lagi the plastic. Oh my gosh, Zido, you don't understand. I think you understood, but you're very stubborn. What is that? Nut? Oh, sige, put it here. What kind of nut?
What?
Cashew. Cashew. Oh, the other ones. Bring lagi all the plastic. Don't bring only one. Bring 2, 3, 4. Bring all.
1,
Oh my gosh, you
1, 3,
you brought one by one. Oh my god. Bring all the plastic.
4.
Oh my gosh, you either you want to make your own decisions, either you want to make what you like. Oh, put it down.
1,
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4? For what?
4
Coffee?
coffee, sugar,
Coffee mate? Finish? Finish?
Coffee mate.
Oh, all coffee mate. Finished? Finished? No more? Not yet. It's already 10 minutes. Bring na get a bag. Oh, bring all. Dali. Bring all. Use your 2 hands. The shirt. What are those?
Batteries.
Batteries. Oh, go get the other ones. Hurry up. Shirts. Yes. Put it here. T-shirts. How many? 2?
2.
Oh, finish na. Oh, finish. Fee? Hurry up. Mama is coughing now. Oh, what is that? 2 oats. Quaker oats. Oats. Oh, yes. For the house and for the box. You want this? You want me to send this to Philippines?
No.
No?
In house.
In the house only? You don't want to share this to Philippines? To your family in Philippines? You want to share to the kids or not?
No.
No? Some of this? No? Oh my God. You don't want to share? We'll give one to the kids. Oh, like this one.
The broken toy.
The broken toy. Ah, you want to send the broken only? Huh? Oh my gosh. Give also not broken. Why you give all the broken? It's not good. Finish now. Sige, thank you for watching, guys.
Oh.
Sige na, what you will say? Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You're not looking at the camera, Zaid.